A relaxed performance offers audience members to come and see and engage with our performances, but who might ordinarily be put off by being in a theatre at night in sort of the traditional setting in which ballet and dance can be seen. So as soon as people come into the front of house of a theatre, they will see a visual storyboard which has photographs of our dancers and the roles that they play in costume, so people are getting familiar with what they're going to see on stage. We also have a tactile corner, which is a little area with some costumes and props and things that the dancers use in the show. So again, they can experience and feel and smell and see the things that are going to be used in the show. Then when they come into the auditorium, we have some of our dancers in costume, just walking around. Again, they can be approached, they can have questions asked of them, but it's also, again, just to build that familiarity of what they're going to be looking like when they're on stage. Then audience members can sit down if they like, but they're also free to move around. So they can be in different spaces. They don't have to be still, they don't have to be quiet. They can move around, make noise. We'll have lots of narration bilingually. So normally narration is delivered in Welsh and English. And we also use Makaton support. So some of the scenes of the ballet are removed and they're replaced with narration. And our dancers, while that is happening, will be on stage acting out the scenes that are being spoken about. We have sound is reduced, so no loud bangs, no loud crashes, no loud noises. The lights are also only at 50%, so it never goes very dark, it never goes very bright. And then at the end of the production, all the dancers come on stage and they have questions and answers with the audience. So it gives the audience a chance to ask anything that they want to ask about the story or about their dancing or about their lives, and to just be more familiar with the cast that they've seen perform in the Relax show.